Hi, and welcome to COM 320, the Healthcare Collaboration and Leadership course. Really excited to have you in the class this semester. We have a really large online group, which I think will be super fun, but also challenging in some ways. So bear with me. I've never had quite this many students in the class, but I've been teaching this class for over 4 years and absolutely love it. It's what drew me into teaching, and so I'm excited to have you here this semester. I've asked you all to do an introductory video, and so I thought I would do the same so you know a little bit more about me as we start the semester. I'm originally from Des Moines, Iowa. That's a picture of our capital there on the left or your right. I lived there until I went for my undergrad to Creighton University, and I've stayed here in Omaha ever since. I got my undergraduate and my master's degree from Creighton. My master's is in negotiation and conflict resolution, so really excited because conflict is a major theme in this course. And then I came here to Nebraska Methodist College to work with the Upward Bound program right after graduating with my master's back in 2009. And then it was at that time I went back to school to earn my doctorate in educational leadership with a focus in higher ed. So the other major theme of this class is leadership. So I really feel a lot of passion for this course. I graduated with my doctorate from the University of Nebraska-Lincoln and then started teaching here in 2015. And I've been teaching this course every semester that I've been here, and don't tell anyone, but it is my favorite. So I'm glad to have you. So I also asked you to think about a leader that you admire and why. And there's a lot of great examples of leaders. Some of you may have a personal, somebody who's in your life, a personal relationship with someone that you consider to be a leader. I chose Oprah Winfrey. And I think she exhibits a lot of the leadership qualities that we'll talk about throughout the semester. Extremely charismatic. She tells you to read a book, millions of people go read a book. She tells you to buy a product, millions of people buy a product. So she's very influential in that way, but she also uses her influence for positive things. And so she's done a lot of great work around the world and empowering young girls and women, which I really admire. And she gives away a lot of free stuff, which is really nice too. So she's a person that I think exhibits a lot of leadership qualities that we'll talk about throughout the semester. And so I really look forward to watching these videos because it's a great way for me to get to know you because I don't get to see you each week. We do have an opportunity to see you face to face, and you'll either in week 5 you'll either do an online discussion through WebEx where I'll get to see you, or which I really encourage you to come to our on-ground class, which meets on Friday that week. That's September 20th, and we have a really great discussion and panel about gender in healthcare. So I look forward to seeing you again in week 5, and please reach out anytime you have questions or concerns. Email is the best way to get a hold of me, but I really want to be a resource to you, even though it's online. Please reach out early and often if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks a lot. I hope you have a great semester.